Hi everybody, this is Miss Faina. Today we're going to be talking about slope-intercept form and how to write equations in that form. So remember that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, m is our slope, b is our y-intercept. So we're going to start with from its slope and its y-intercept. When we're given the slope and y-intercept, we're just plugging in the number for m and plugging in the number for b. Okay, so on this first one, it tells us that m is a -3. So in our equation, instead of m, we're going to plug in a -3. Okay, it tells us b is 1/2. And instead of b, I'm going to replace it with a 1/2. So it has y equals -3x plus 1/2. And that's it. Okay, from a word problem, it says Luke goes to the fair with $50. Each ride costs $2. Write an equation to show how much money he has at the end of the day. Okay, so we're starting with $50. Okay, that's our B. Our y-intercept is our starting amount. We're starting with $50. And each ride is going to cost $2. So our slope is a -2 because we're spending money every time. So we have y equals mx plus b. So my m is a -2x plus 50. Okay, and x is however many rides he decides to ride. Okay, not too bad. From a graph. Okay, so when we have it from a graph, we need to be able to identify our y-intercept and identify our slope. So let's start with our y-intercept because that seems to be the easier one. So remember, our y-axis is where our y-intercept is. So that is right here. That point is at 0, -1. Okay, and then we want to go ahead and use the other point that we already have given for us, which is down here, that green point, and that is -5, -3. And to find our slope, we're going to do rise over run. So I go up 2, that's my rise, and I go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my run is 5. So my slope is 2/5. And my B, my y-intercept, is just -1. So now I plug it into the formula. Y equals 2/5 x minus 1. And that's all there is to slope-intercept form and writing equations. If you have any questions, please talk to your teacher, write down any questions you have, make sure you get help from it. Have a great day, Rangers.